Hello, good morning you all. Solution of question number 2, as we discussed in the question number 1 is standard deviation, that is the ungrouped data only, and this question is also based on ungrouped data only. Both the same question. If you see the board, the question is like this: find out standard deviation and CSD, coefficient of standard deviation, and CV means coefficient of variation. Variable is like this: x equal to 5, 8, 9, 10, 15, 12, 10. Frequency 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2. Solution: x 5, 8, 9, 15, 9, 15, 12, 10. And what is your frequency? 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2. So these are the variables. Now you need to find what actually mean you have to find, standard deviation you have to find. For standard deviation, I think I said that in the first problem only. First of all, you have to find the d. What is d? D equal to x minus the smallest number in the question. So there are different methods to find this one, but easiest method I am saying you, very simple. Whatever the small number in the question is there, that you have to take. Small number is which one? 5 is the small. Think okay, small 5 is the small, not always first number. Whichever is the small number, that number you have to subtract. 5 minus x minus 5 now. What you have to find? X minus 5. What is d? All x number minus the 5 number. So 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 5 3, 9 minus 5 4, 15 minus 5 10, 12 minus 5 7, 10 minus 5 is 5. Then into f into d now. Multiply f into d. What is f into 2? 3 into 0, 0, 2 3 jar, 6, 1 4 jar, 4, 5 10 jar, 15, 6 7 jar, 42, 2 5 jar, 10. So fd square you have to find. So d into fd, 0 into 0, 3 into 6, 4 into 4 16, 10 into 50, 500, 7 into 42. Multiply which number? 7 into 42. So the answer is 294. 10 into 50 is 10 into 5 is 50. So we need the total of this one, and frequency total, that is n. And after this we need to find the fx for mean purpose. We need the mean. So multiply f into x. 5 into 3, 15, 8 into 2, 16, 9 1 jar, 9, 15 5 jar, 75, 12 into 6, 72, 10 into 2, 20. So now you need to multiply or add all items. First frequency 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, plus 6, 17 plus 2, 19. So 8, 13, 14 plus 5, 19. Now you have to multiply which number? This number. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. So 10, 112. So 50, 100, 112. Now add the 18 plus which number? 18 plus 16 plus 500 plus 294 plus 50. So we will get this total is 874. You check the total. If any mistakes are there, you rectify. 878 actually, not 874. It was 878. Clear? Now fx total now. The fx total is 15 plus 16 plus 9 plus 75 plus 72 plus 20. So the answer is 207. 207 is the total of which one? Total of the fx. Now you need to find mean, standard deviation, and coefficient of standard deviation, and lastly coefficient of variation. First I will show the mean now. I will show here mean. Very simple formula. So arithmetic mean equal to summation of fx divided by n. What is fx here? Total is 207 divided by n is how much here? 19. So answer is 207 divided by 19. How much? 207 divided by 19. If you do, the answer comes 10.89. So 10.89 is the mean answer. Now I will show you the standard deviation, second one. Standard deviation equal to summation of FD square divided by N minus summation of FD divided by N whole square and under the root, right? So what is FD square? FD square is here 878. What is N? 19 minus FD. FD is here how much? 112 divided by N. 19. It's a whole square root. So now you do the 878 divided by 19. So the answer is 46.12. 46.21 minus 112 by 19. How to do this one? Directly 112 divided by 19 equal to, then you press the into and equal to button. So you will get a square number only. I will show you how 112 divided by 19 equal to, you press the equal to button in the calculator, then after that you need a square of that one. Square of that one means what? Into button and equal to button. So then you will get the 34 point, directly the answer, entire number 34.74. I think I have shown many times in the other subjects, right? So if you simplify this one, then you find the number. So 46.21 minus 34.74 difference, and remove the root is 3.39 rounded. I said that round number 3.39. Now what you have to do? You need to find, next one is coefficient of standard deviation. What is coefficient of standard deviation formula? The formula like this: standard deviation divided by mean. Mean means x bar. Otherwise, ST divided by AM. ST means standard deviation. AM means mean. Any symbol that you have to use. Standard deviation is how much here? This one. Which one? Standard deviation is 3.39. That is the value that you have to find in the variable, right? Substitute the value in the formula. All you have to substitute, and you only identify that what is the value for that. Which number? Coefficient of variation and coefficient of standard deviation, right? So what is the difference between these two? I said that many in the theory also. The difference between these two is very simple. Where is the marginal difference is there? If you find the coefficient of standard deviation, what you will get? The answer of only which one? The answer of fraction in case of coefficient of standard deviation. If you find the coefficient of variation, what you will get? In coefficient of variation, it comes in the percentage. Percentage means not in fraction. That was the difference. So standard deviation is here 3.39 divided by, what is mean? There 10.89. So difference of make a fraction of these two, 3.39 divided by 10.89. The answer is 0.31. If I say that coefficient of variation, so coefficient of variation CV equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Into 100 means only simple. This formula very simple. Here it is not multiply, here it is multiply. Now answer 3.39 divided by 10.89 is the mean into 100. So you will get 31.13. That is in percentage. That is in percentage always. If you are not using this percentage symbol, by default 31.13 is the percentage answer. So this is all about your answer. Solution of what? Standard deviation, arithmetic mean, coefficient of standard deviation, coefficient of variation. So you read the question, whether they are asking you in exam, coefficient of standard deviation means don't multiply the 100 here. If they are asking coefficient of variation, multiply 100 in the formula. So this was the answer for your all questions. All questions means standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation and coefficient of variation, right? So now I will assign you one question that is based on the same number. Question number which one? Question number 3. Say find out standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation and coefficient of variation. The question is like this: 15, 8, 13, 4, 20, 15, last is 10. Frequency 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. Now when you are finding the D, what is D? D equal to x minus small number. All these x number, which one is the small number here? 4 is a small number. Subtract all the numbers minus 4. 4 is a small number. So then find the standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Then question number 4. So find out number 1. Standard deviation. Number 2. Coefficient of standard deviation. Number 3. Coefficient of variation. So 3 questions. Once again same. Standard deviation, coefficient of standard deviation, coefficient of variation. The question is like this: x 50, then 53, 51, 49, 50, 54. Then frequency 3, 5, 6, 8, 1, 9. Now out of all these numbers, which one is a small number? Small number is 49. So all number minus 49, then you will get the D. D minus 50 minus 49, 53 minus 49. Why 49? Smallest number. So I think I assigned 2 questions here, question number 3 and 4. I solved the same type, question number 1 and question number 2, and I given 2 questions here. You solve it. In the next the presentation, I will go with your ungrouped data to grouped data. Next question is next solution. If I come to you, that is based on continuous series grouped data questions, right? Thank you.